Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structures in which we are discussing about beams and columns. Today we will discuss about curved sections. Okay, so curved sections are also important point considered after the straight sections. Okay, we have already seen the ring sections, which are circular sections or circular structures. The curved sections are basically sections which are having fillets. Okay, two sections connected with having fillets. Okay, so when you go to curved sections, first we will create a structure, then we will create a framework into it, and we will assign some profile for our structure. So let us say we are using universal columns. Select a parameter which you want to go with, and profile is selected, and then you can have the same framework as your storage area. And let us for now let us give same storage area for node points also, and then let us quickly go to sections and start with the curved sections. Now when you go to curved section, there are various options which are available on which you can basically get the curved sections. Okay, so we will see one by one. Radius is basically fillet between two sections, so I am keeping it 500 for now, and we can check with the first option. The first option is your explicit option, where you can you need minimum 3 points to create the curved section. Okay, so after clicking on the first option, you will guide it to position toolbar, and the best option for best procedure for this curved sections is following this uh, what you can say prompt. Okay, so this prompt will guide you to do in everything. So it is asking for free section to start and finish. So we will start our first section at 0 origin. Let us say apply. You will get first point at origin. Then let us say I want to go in up direction, that is 5000 or 2500. Sorry, 2500. So that is my second point. You need minimum 3 points. So I will go in north for 2500. Okay, ISO 3. And in after north, I will go in up, because you cannot change 3D plane for a section. Okay, so you have to keep it in 2 dimension. Okay, so I am keeping it for now in north view. Okay, so we have 3 points here. Just press escape and section will be created. So this is basically a curved section. This radius is whatever radius we are putting. Right now it is 500, so there will be two radius at each point. This is the free type of curved section. The second type of curved section is called right angle curve section, where you have to give 2 or 3 points where you want to make this section. Okay, so you can check in the small images which are the options. There are 3 points which are highlighted in red dots. You try to create those 3 points to understand these sections. Okay, so first is curved section right angle start point. So I will go with 0. Just a second. Okay, we will start again. Right angle position toolbar, and we will go with 000 as a origin, and then I will move it to 2500 for our reference to understand how it is different from the previous one. So that is my first point. Okay, yeah, so that is my first point. I am clicking apply there. Yeah, my system got stuck. I am just closing the tabs. Yeah, so that is the start point for my right angle. Then a prompt will prompt for right angle end of the first leg, so that is the vertical. So I want to move it in up direction by say 5000. Apply. and then it prompt for last end leg, so that is in north, say 2500. Apply. So that will create automatically, it will end the command, and that will create a right angle section in the window. Okay, so in the meantime I will just close all the other windows which are opening. So this right angle section is created. Okay, so let us go for the rectangular section, rectangular closed section. So closed rectangular section, it will prompt to create start point. So I will go with, let us say, 5000 in east, so that it will be created somewhere here. That is my start point for a rectangle. Then you want to give height for the rectangle, so I will go up in, say, 3000. Apply. That is my height, and then you need to give width. So width will be in north, let us say 3000. I am making a square here, and then you can say apply, and a rectangular closed section will be created with the radius of 500 on each section. Okay, so this is the closed curved section. These are the three types now. The fourth is open rectangular section, that is open rectangle. Again I will go with 0, 0 and 7500, so that it will be created little bit away. Apply. That is my start point. The opening will be, say, let us say 4000 up, and there is north also 4000. So only difference between previous one and this one will be, it will be open from the other end. So if you want to open it from upside, you can go with the north direction as the second direction and up direction as the third direction. The fourth side of the section will be open. Okay, that is the only difference. Then there is something called a swan section or swan neck section. So for the swan neck section, it is again very important to understand the structure. So I am just making it for, say, 10,000. Okay, starting point. Then for next point swan, it is the length or the straight section. I am going to 3000 in north. And for the fourth, for third point will not be perfectly right angle to the north, so I will go with 5000 in north, and I will shift it to up, so that it will create a neck. Okay, so I am just giving 2500 and say apply. So this is how your swan neck will be created. The difference between swan neck and the first free section is you can have n number of points in free section. The swan neck is only having 3 points. Okay, so that is your swan section. And then there is called obloid. The obloid section is again very simple. It is basically covering circular section. So you need 2 points. So I will go with, say, 10,000, 12,500 maybe, so that it will be created little bit away. So this is basically center point for my obloid. Then for this next center point, I will go to 5000 in top. So this is the center to center distance between my obloid. Okay, and then you have to give curved section start and side. Okay, so start and side I will go with 5000, and in north, let us say I am keeping it 3000. Apply. Obloid will be created with center to center distance is 5000 and total distance is 3000 in north. Okay, so this is the again closed section but obloid with circular sides, two circular sides on both the ends. Then again you have something called curved section rectangle. So it is similar to the previous rectangle. The only difference is there will be a radius. Okay, so closed rectangle with curved section, that is the other two options which are available in the curved section. So this is how you can basically create a curved section in AVEVA PDMS. Okay, so there are different types of curve section. You basically try everything and then start using those in your project. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. In coming videos, we will be discussing more about AVEVA PDMS structures, about beams and columns. So keep following. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. Check out the playlists which are available on the channel to get more about AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.